Every powerful model in history has learned from the knowledge humans left behind. But what happens when the next generation learns from an internet that is no longer human? This is a problem that is easy to overlook in the excitement of progress. The internet is rapidly filling with AI-generated text, images, code, and research, and future AGI models will treat all of it as real. But scientific work has already shown the danger. When the models train on their own outputs, they begin to drift. They lose information, they lose diversity, they lose the connection to the real world that made them intelligent in the first place. Some people might suggest we should track synthetic data, tag it, label it, trace it across generations. But as models improve, that becomes impossible. Some others might argue that synthetic and real data will eventually become indistinguishable. And it's true that we have seen impressive progress. Recent work has shown that small models trained on carefully designed synthetic corpora can perform surprisingly well on focused reasoning tasks. But these corpora are human-curated, narrow, and controlled. They are not the entire open web. So even if synthetic data gets better, it will not capture the full richness and unpredictability of human behavior. Not yet. There will still be a gap, and when synthetic content fills the open internet faster than they can track it, that gap becomes risky. AGI will not fail because we lack compute. It will fail because the world it learns from becomes synthetic. Metafair explored this directly. The results show that human data still carries the soundest signal. Even when synthetic data is high quality, it struggles to match the natural variability, edge cases, and subtle inconsistencies that make human data rich. And here is the part we need to face. We will train future AGI models on an internet where much of the content is synthetic, and we will not know each part. In that world, the whole training pipeline breaks. Blind trust in the web breaks, and the scaling alone will not save us. If we cannot stop synthetic contamination and we cannot track it, then the model must learn to survive it. Researchers already demonstrated how recursively training amplifies a model's own mistakes. Errors accumulate, patterns become smoother, knowledge collapses into its own reflections. So the solution is not perfect labels, not perfectly clean datasets. It's building models that detect uncertainty, preserve diversity, and correct their own drift. The model cannot rely on the world for stability. It has to learn stability from within. This is the future of AGI training. Not bigger models, not more synthetic data, not trying to tag an internet that moves too fast, but building systems that stay grounded, even when their world becomes synthetic. Because intelligence emerges when it can survive uncertainty. This is Mojtaba Valipour, and these ideas are open and free. Fork them, merge them, challenge them, build something better. This is original ideas for free.